receive your Seqex, you get a field detector. This is a field detector. Your Seqex, you get it with your Seqex Med and your Seqex fan. This is the particular detector. If you put it on this chair, or if you put it over here, there's no field. So you won't hear anything on the floor or on the blanket. You don't hear anything. But when you get close to something where there's a field, like the Seqex, then you will hear it and you can see the lights on top of the field detector. The Seqex field goes pretty high, so you can see it's still working. This particular card is microcirculation. It's one of the strongest cards, so obviously it will work quite well. So that's what comes with your unit, your med and your fan is the field detector. Now, when you get your Seqex HC, we have a field detector too. It's a little different. It's a little orange square that comes in the side of your bed. And you can just see when you put it on microcirculation, you can hear it and you can also see the lights. They will go back and forth and it turns off automatically. So you just turn it back on and you can see how it works on the field. It shows there's a field. You can see that there's lights that go up and down. And sometimes when you put them on the Seqex HC, you won't hear it because if you put it on a card that's like extra regeneration or relaxed total body, it's very, very low. But you will see the light. But this is microcirculation. This is the strongest one, so you'll see the light and hear it. And when you get your HC mat, it's the gray mat that this is the one that it comes with, the orange meter. Okay, thanks.